Hello students, today we will discuss about applications of first order differential equation. General procedure. Let A be the given information with respect to time t. dA by dt, which is rate derivative, is proportional to A, is given information where A is the given information with respect to time t. dA by dt is equal to proportional breaks, which is constant k into A. Separating the variables, we get dA by A is equal to k into dt. Integration on both sides, we get log A is equal to kt plus c. Taking exponential on both sides, we get e power log A is equal to e power kt plus c. By removing e and log, exponential and log, we get A equal to e power kt into e power c, where e power c is equal to constant. Therefore, A is equal to c e power kt. In the same way, let in the another one, let T be the temperature with respect to time t. Second type one, let T be the temperature based sums. So dt by dt is proportional to T minus S. So where capital letter T is temperature, small letter t is time with respect to time, S is room temperature, it varies. So dt by dt is equal to k into T minus S. So dt by T minus S is equal to k into dt. Integration on both sides. So we get log of T minus S is equal to kt plus c. Taking exponential, we get T minus S is equal to e power kt plus c. So therefore T minus S is equal to e power kt into e power c, which is equal to c e power kt. Is the required solution. This is the general procedure. Hello students, applications of first order differential equations. First sum, the rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number present. Given that the number triples in 5 hours, find how many bacteria will be present after 10 hours. So given information, the rate is derivative, number of a culture is proportional to the number present. So let solution for the sum, let A be the number of bacteria at time t. So rate derivative dA by dt, here A is number of bacteria. So rate means derivative dA by dt with respect to time t is proportional to the number present. A, number of bacteria is A, which actually no. So dA by dt is equal to Ka. Separating the variables, we get dA by A is equal to K into dt. Integration on both sides, we get log A is equal to kt plus c. Taking exponential on both sides, we get A is equal to e power kt plus c. So therefore e power kt into e power c can be written as c e power t, c e power kt, where c is equal to e power c, which is constant. So then first information, given that number triples in 5 hours, initially we don't know, so we take it as A naught. Initially A is equal to A naught, number of bacteria we don't know, so therefore A is equal to A naught. Initial time is 0. Substituting in this, we get Substituting a is equal to a naught. So a naught is equal to c e power k into t value. Initial time is 0. So k into 0 is 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So which is equal to c. So therefore c is equal to a naught. So therefore the equation of this equation is a is equal to a naught e power kt. Given that the number triples in 5 hours, which is equal to, so a after 5 hours, a is equal to triples in 5 hours, t is equal to 5 hours. In time after 5 hours, triples in 5 hours. Initially we have taken a naught, triples for 3 times initial stage, 3a naught in 5 hours. So the equation becomes a is equal to 3a naught, t equal to 5 hours. Substituting in this equation we get 3a naught is equal to a naught e power 5k, t is equal to 5, a is equal to 3a naught. By cancelling a naught we get e power 5k is equal to 3. One information. Then another information, how much bacteria will be present after 10 hours. After 10 hours, then t is equal to 10 hours, we have to find a is equal to question mark. Substituting in this equation, we get a is equal to a naught e power 10k. Substituting in this, a is equal to a naught e power k into 10. So therefore 10k, which is equal to a naught e power 10k can be written as e power 5k the whole square, e power 5k into e power 5k. So e power 10k can be written as e power 5k the whole square. The value of e power 5k is 3. So which is equal to a naught into 3 square, which is equal to 9a naught approximately. So after 10 hours, the bacteria will be 9 times. After 10 hours, the bacteria will be 9 times, will increase of the initial bacteria. Second sum, find a population of a city at any time t, given that rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant, and that in a period of 40 years of population increases from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Find a population. We have to find the population time t, given that rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant. One information. So solution for this sum, let A be the population at time t. So dA by dt is proportional to A. Rate means derivative dA by dt is proportional to the population. dA by dt is proportional to A. So dA by dt is equal to Ka. So by separating the variable separable, we get a dA by A is equal to K into dt. Integration on both sides, we get log A is equal to Kt plus C. By taking exponential on both sides, A equal to C e power Kt. First information, initially the population is 3 lakhs. So A is equal to 3 lakhs. Initial time t is equal to 0. Substituting in this, we get A equal to 3 lakhs. C e power k into t value 0. K into 0 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So therefore which is equal to C. Substituting C is equal to 3 lakhs in this equation, we get A is equal to 3 lakhs e power kt. E power kt. Next information, After 40 years, the population increases to 4 lakhs. After 40 years, the population is equal to 4 lakhs. Initial time t is equal to 40 years. So substituting in this equation, we get, so 4 lakhs is equal to 3 lakhs into e power k into t. T value is 40. So therefore 40k. By cancelling 5 zeros on both sides, we get e power 40k is equal to 4 by 3. Taking log on both sides, we get 40k is equal to log 4 by 3. So k is equal to 1 by 40 log 4 by 3. So this can be written as k equal to log of 4 by 3 the whole power 1 by 40. This one is value of k. Initially, a is equal to 3 lakhs e power kt. A is equal to 3 lakhs e power kt is the general solution. Substituting k value in this. So a is equal to 3 lakhs e power, value of k is log 4 by 3 the whole power 1 by 40, k value into t. So this can be written as a is equal to 3 lakhs e power log 4 by 3 1 by 40 into t. So therefore t by 40. T by 40. A equal to 3 lakhs e power log 4 by 3 the whole power t by 40. The population of a city at any time t is 3 lakhs e power log 4 by 3 whole power t by 40. Next sum. Suppose a person deposits 10,000 Indian rupees in a bank account at the rate of 5% per annum, compounded continuously. How much money will be in his bank account 18 months later? Once again, solution for the sum. Once again, suppose a person deposits 10,000 Indian rupees in a bank account at the rate of 5% per annum, compounded continuously. How much money will be in his bank account 18 months later? Here, A be the principal amount. So, let A be the principal amount. Let A be the principal amount at time t. Let A be the principal amount at time t. So, dA by dt rate is proportional to A. A be the principal amount, derivative is proportional to A. dA by dt is proportional to A. dA by dt is equal to Ka. By taking variable separable, dA by A is equal to K into dt. Integration on both sides, we get log A is equal to Kt plus C. Taking exponential on both sides, we get A is equal to C e power Kt. First information, deposit amount is 10,000 rupees. Amount rate of interest is 5%. 5% which is constant, here constant is k. So this can be written as 5 by 100 which is equal to 0.05. So initial amount. So A is equal to C e power 0.05 t, where C is integration constant, t is time, A is the population. This is the required equation. Then initially A is equal to 10,000 amount deposit. Initially t is equal to 0. By substituting in this, we get 10,000 is equal to C e power 0.05 into 0. Anything into 0 is 0, anything power 0 is 1. So C is equal to 10,000. Substituting in this equation, we get A is equal to 10,000 e power 0.05 t. Next information, how much money will be in his bank account 18 months later. After 18 months, A amount, the principal amount we have to find out. So 18 months can be written as 1.5 years. Per year 12 months, half month 6 months. 12 plus 6 is 18 months, so 1.5 years. 1.5 years can be written as 3/2 years. So substituting t is equal to 3/2, we have to find a value of A, or 3/2 can be written as 1.5 years. So therefore A is equal to, substituting in this equation, A is equal to 10,000 e power 0.05 into 1.5. We get A is equal to 10,000 e power 0.05 into 1.5, 0.075. 1.5 into 5, 0.05 into 1.5 is 0.075 is the required solution. So therefore after 18 months, the amount will be 10,000 into e power 0.075 be in his bank account after 18 months. Thank you.